Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandy here, and today I am taking you along as I venture into Trader Joe's. Now this is my first time into Trader Joe's since this whole pandemic started. Alright, so I'm at the grocery store, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my debit card in my pocket. I have not been taking my purse in the store just because I want as little exposure as possible. So I'm here now. I have my mask. I'm putting my mask on. And I also have gloves. Now, I have done the grocery store with gloves more often than not, but I will go in without gloves and just sanitize my hands. But I actually have a cut on my finger, so I don't want to take any chances, so I am wearing gloves. And when I come out, I've got Clorox wipes to wipe my groceries, and I have my hand sanitizer for my hands. Now, of all the grocery stores that I've gone to since this pandemic started, Trader Joe's really had some good rules in place that they were actually enforcing. So the first thing was we waited in a very short line in order to get into the store. They were cleaning our baskets off so that once it was your turn, you walked in with a sanitized basket. Now, when it was my turn in line, the gentleman that was monitoring the store, he came over. He said, if I'm purchasing any wines or snack items, that I could go into the store, go to that aisle first because there weren't many people in there, and that I should shop the store coming backwards towards the front. So they were monitoring to that extent, and I appreciated that because people tend to congregate in the produce aisle, so they made sure that they didn't have any of that going on. They had signs out in front of the store. They also had at the checkouts arrows on the floor, and they told you where to stand so that you were not up close to the cashier. You stood there until it was time to pay. You paid, and you quickly took your groceries and left the store. So I give them A+ for effort in enforcing the one-way lanes in the store. Other stores I've gone through, they have the one-way lanes, but there's no one enforcing it. Trader Joe's was on it this particular day. So I felt much better about the shopping experience, having them in there and kind of monitoring what was happening and making sure that people weren't, not recognizing the social distancing. So all in all, I gave them A+ for effort. I enjoyed my shopping trip, and now I'm gonna go home after sanitizing the groceries and then change clothes. So here I am at my mom's house, and I am sanitizing the groceries before I take them in. That is one thing that has really changed for me with grocery shopping. I never go to the store now without checking in with my parents to see if they need anything, because I pick it up for them while I'm out. I sanitize everything and take it into their home for them, and I do the same for my groceries. Stay tuned to the end, and you will see my shopping haul of what I picked up at Trader Joe's. I just love shopping at Trader Joe's. They have so many unique items that I enjoy purchasing. It is a little bit of a drive to get there from my house, but I find that it's worth it because I enjoy their items. Okay, so this is my grocery haul. I love this jasmine rice that is frozen, and you can microwave it in like 3 minutes. I know rice is not that complicated to make, but I just like the convenience of that. So when I do go to Trader Joe's, I always pick one of those up. I got the organic popping corn. I like to pop my own popcorn, so this one is really good. The kernels are very, very tender and good when you pop them. I always pick up the Argentine shrimp from Trader Joe's. I love those when I'm making my shrimp fried rice or frying shrimp, sauteing them, stir fries, whatever. Those shrimp are really good. I like to make pizza, so I buy the pizza dough from Trader Joe's. I'm trying to see the name. It's just ready to bake. You just kind of spread it out and let it rise a little bit and make your pizza. It's really good. So I do that. I got my 21 Seasoning Salute, and since I don't make it to Trader Joe's that often, I just picked up 2 of those. I love their candied pecans on my salad or in my oatmeal, so I picked those up. I got some Himalayan pink salt. I love that. And I bought some black peppercorns. My corn salsa that I love with the chilies in it from Trader Joe's. And I also picked up a Cowboy Caviar. I put that in my salads, and I also make, you know, nachos and things like that, tacos. I put them on everything. Then I picked up some sweet chili sauce. I love this. I put this in my shrimp and grits when I make it, stir fries. You can put it on meats, you know, whatever you want to have, whatever dish you want. But I use it a lot in different things. So I bought 2 bottles of that. I go through that pretty quickly. I bought some more of these Cara oranges. Now, I bought these for the first time at Lidl the other day. And they are pink inside. And these were some of the best oranges. So I picked up another bag of those. I went through them pretty quickly. I bought a bag of Basmati rice. So this one is the jasmine, and I got some Basmati rice, which is just regular rice that I'll have to cook. I picked up some blueberries that I use in my cereal, oatmeal, sometimes my salads. I picked up some Tuscan kale that I'm gonna make. I have not purchased kale in a bag like this in quite a while, but I feel like I need to really eat a lot of green vegetables. So I picked up some. I picked up some baby spinach, which I love to make omelets with or whatever. I just eat spinach. Limes that I like to put in my water. And my trio pack of peppers, I always pick these up because I cook with a lot of peppers. Whatever I make, I'll put them in. I'll cut them up and put some in the kale when I make it. I put it in my salads, just everything. I picked up some eucalyptus. I love eucalyptus. I use it to just put it in the shower, or I put it in a vase with some water. I just love to have eucalyptus, and I can pick it up at Trader Joe's. So I always get that. The last thing I picked up is something that I absolutely do not need, but I just am obsessed with these. And these are Trader Joe's Ghost Pepper Potato Chips. Now, every season, Trader Joe's comes out with some different chips. In the summertime, they have these patio chips that are delicious too, but this time of year, these Ghost Pepper chips are here, and they just kind of rotate these chips in and out, so you can't get them all the time. But I picked them up, and I'm gonna really have to exercise some self-control with those because I have an obsession. Oh, I didn't mention this. This is some multi-purpose cleaner that I picked up, and it's cedarwood and sage. I can tell you I should have smelled this in the store, but I didn't, and it was relatively cheap, but I don't like the smell of it. But anyway, I'll find a use for it. I'll mix it in with something else or put some essential oils in. But anyway, that is my little small haul from Trader Joe's. So I am set now with all my staples that I get from there, and I probably won't have to go back for about a month or so. So that is it for the haul.